Hey everyone, I hope all are well. If you remember, we talked about different classes of vertebrates. First of all, we divided them in different subclasses like pieces and tetrapods. Then we covered the pieces, amphibians, reptiles, and right now we are going to talk about Aves. So we are going to cover Aves. So be with me till the end of the lesson for getting information about class Aves or birds. Let's talk about some of their characteristics. So first of all, I have to say that members of this class are able to fly. Almost all of them are able to fly. Just some of them are running, and their body structure like beak, foot, wing, tail, even feather and size can be different according to their adaptation and their lifestyle, and according to their feeding behavior. Even their body structures can be different, and they maintain a constant body temperature, means they are warm-blooded. Doesn't matter if the weather is cold or warm, they can live. Because they are warm-blooded, they do not have to rest on winter time or go for the dormancy, and they do not have sweat glands, so they are not perspiring like the other animals. About the reproduction, we can say that they have internal fertilization. It means male has to fertilize female one internally, and fertilization happens inside female body, and female body can produce eggs, and they are laying eggs. And after this, from that egg, inside that egg, embryo or offspring is getting developed like this, and then they can hatch the egg and come out from the egg as a new member of class. About the respiration, we can say that they got lungs and air sacs. They are using lungs for respiring, for sending gas to all the body, for using for exchanging the gases like oxygen and carbon dioxide. And they got air sacs, and they are using that air sacs for storing the air. Suppose if they are flying so much high, and the height there is less air, or atmosphere is decreasing in high atmosphere, so that's why they can store some air in their air sacs. Circulation and birds or aves are quite similar with the human, as they got four-chambered heart and they got closed circulatory system, so blood is not coming out from their circulatory system or from their heart and vessels, and they got closed circulatory system, as I told you. So about their skeleton, the members of that classes got hollow bones. It means the internal part of their bones are empty. That's why their bones are light. That's why, that's the main reason that they can fly. They can carry all the weight of their skeleton or their bones, and also we can see that their bones are light and strong both. About their digestion, we can say that they got a little different digestion, because they do not have teeth, and instead they have a hard beak structure by which they can grab the prey or they can eat it, and after they are getting the prey is directly being sent to the gizzard. In gizzards, they can stay some time, or they can quickly digest it. After digestion, they can use the useful materials, and waste materials can move from intestine to the cloaca, and they can excrete it in less than half an hour. Excretion in birds or in aves are being happen with kidneys. They got metanephric kidneys, and there is no urinary bladder, so feces and urine both are being excreted from the one hole, which is the cloaca hole. And also they got salt glands, which is also being used as excretory organ. About the bird's nerve system, we can say that they have a large and complex brain, and also a nerve cord, and their brain is adapted for building nest, for example, and finding food. So we can divide birds in four groups. First of all, perching birds, birds which are singing all the time. uh, Water birds, birds which are adapted to walk to inside water or to swim in water. Bird of prey, birds which are uh, which are possessing a strong beak in order to capture, grab, and kill the prey. And they are like eating other animals. They're preying. They're predators. And flightless birds, which are not flying. They're walking birds. So that was all about Aves. I hope you learned. Thanks for being with me till the end of the lesson.